Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to explain a free virtual internship offered by Accenture, available through the Forage platform. If you are a student or a beginner looking to gain some practical exposure, this can be useful opportunity. I will explain what it is and how it works and how you can start it. So first let's understand what this internship actually is. So friend, this is not a traditional internship where you apply, go through the interviews, and wait for selection. Instead, this is a virtual job simulation. That means you will be given a task that are similar to what professionals at Accenture might work on. You can complete this task online at your own space. And also, I want to make one clear thing here that this is not a paid internship and there is a no stipend involved. The main purpose of this program is to learning and gaining exposure to real world works. And in this program, you will mainly work on the basic consulting related task. For example, you may be asked to understand a problem, do some research, and think of possible solutions. These tasks are designed to help you understand how companies approach real solutions. So you can see here the multiple tasks are given here. Like you can see here task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. And friend, you will learn here some skills also, like you can see the communication, research, critical thinking, collaboration, software development, life cycle, agile methodologies, and written communication also. And friend, let's talk about the time required. So this program is a self-paced, so you can complete it in few hours or you can take more time depending on your schedule. There are no strict deadlines here. And after you complete all the tasks here, you can see as I have told earlier, that is a task 1, task 2, task 3, and then you will receive a certificate. So you can see this is the sample certificate. This is the sample certificate, and similar to this you will get the certificates, and you can add this certificate to your resume or your LinkedIn profile. This can be helpful, especially if you are just starting and do not have experience yet. And friend, this internship is suitable for students, beginners, and anyone who wants to understand how real work is done. And if you are expecting a paid opportunity, then this may not be suitable for you. And a friend, before going to check how you will apply, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship notification and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. So friend, here also you can see a small video is given, so you can watch it so that you will get a little bit idea about this internship. They have explained in the video that is having length of 1 minute here, so you can also explore it. I will provide the link in the video description box also here. And talking about to how you can apply. So first you have to open the link provided in the video description box. Then you will come to this page here, and you can see here you have to click on this start free simulation. So once you click, then you will be redirected to this page here. So if you are having already account in the Forest, then you can directly sign in while providing email ID. If not, then you have to click on this create an account, and you have to provide some necessary details like your first name, last name. You have to create one password, you have to enter your date of birth and some university details. And once you create your account, then this simulation or internship will be editing profile, and after that you can begin completing the task one by one. And there is a no application process, so you can start immediately here. And friend, just to summarize you, this is a free self-paced virtual internship. There is a no selection process. You gain basic exposure and receive a certificate after completion. You can see this certificate of completion will look like this. And so if you are starting your journey, this can be a good first step. And if you found this explanation helpful, you can check the link in the description. And if you would like to more such opportunities, you can let me know in the comments also. So thank you for watching.